With winds blowing 20 miles per hour on top of an expected total snow accumulation of 16 inches throughout the whole weekend, Northeast Michigan has turned into a stormy snow show. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Elijah Baker. The Alpena Police Department has sent a caution out to local residents regarding the winter storm. Local law enforcement are asking motorists in the area to refrain from driving this weekend due to dangerous driving and road conditions. The weather is expected to worsen through the rest of Saturday, leading into Sunday afternoon. Owners are also asked to remove their cars off city streets so maintenance can properly plow the roads. Please use caution if you plan on driving, ride slowly, and keep headlights on.